Yo, what's up, guys? So today we're gonna open a heavenly. Yeah, we're gonna open a heavenly. Let's first use NPC potion. Let's see what we got here, and it's Stella. Oh my god! Oh, Stella again. It's from my other last video. So let's see. We use Ruin of Hell, some zombie potion, diver potion, some fortune potion sadly doesn't stack. Heavenly potion now. Oh no, I need to roll this first. Okay. So yeah, time to use my heavenly potion. Let's see what we get here. Oh, damn! Damn! My first 20M. My first 20M. Oh my god. Damn! I thought it was arcane dark, but damn! I'm shaking right now. Let me equip this. Why did it fits Stella so much? Like, oh my god, damn. Damn. Stella, damn. I didn't thought you pit any of those aura. This, damn. Well, subscribe, like, I don't know. Please, souls, give me 10k Robux, please. Please, speed, I need this, please.